Pigweeds are summer annual broadleaf weeds infamous for their ability to grow and spread rapidly. Once these plants reach maturity, they'll set seed to set up the next generation and restart the cycle. Once established, pigweeds grow tall to outcompete grass and other desirable plants. In this video, we'll show you how to identify pigweeds, how to control them on your property, and how to prevent them from growing back. Check the video's description for timestamps if you want to jump to a specific point. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about pest control, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Commonly, pigweeds have ovular, lance-shaped leaves. The leaves have distinct midveins and notched tips, and they grow along the stems in an alternating arrangement. When flowering, they will produce nondescript, terminal green flowers on spike-like flowering heads. There are several different varieties of pigweed that grow in the United States. Red root pigweed grows vertically from 3 to 6 feet tall. This plant can be identified with its red taproot and reddish lower stems. Prostrate pigweed grows low with smooth reddish stems that form circular mats of up to 3 feet across. Smooth pigweed grows vertically from 3 to 6 feet tall. When flowering, this plant grows spikes of small, reddish flowers instead of green. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check your property to confirm the pest's presence or find activity hotspots. Pigweeds grow in warm, open, sunny areas with disturbed soil. Common sites include lawns, landscaping, roadsides, ditches, and land used for agricultural purposes. Pigweeds are summer annual plants germinating from 86 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit from May to June. Flowering begins in June or July, continuing through November. Ideally, you'll look for young plants before they produce flowers to control them before they can reproduce. After identifying your weed and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry completely. To get rid of pigweeds already established on your property, apply post-emergent herbicides to remove them before they can reproduce. In areas with warm season turf, check out Fahrenheit Herbicide. Spot applications with this product should be made at the labeled rate of 0.2 ounces mixed into 1 gallon of water to be applied over 1,000 square feet. We recommend you mix and apply your product with a handheld sprayer or a backpack sprayer. To enhance this product's efficacy, mix in a surfactant like Nanotech. Nanotech is a non-herbicide product designed to improve the adhesion and penetration of pesticides onto treated surfaces. Just add 1 fluid ounce per 1 gallon of solution. If you have weeds growing on properties with cool season grasses, we recommend 2,4-D Amine. The labeled application rate for spot treatments with this product is 1/4 of a pint of concentrate mixed into 3 gallons of water, or 1 2/3 fluid ounces of concentrate mixed into 1 gallon of water. With your solution, spot treat any weed you found during your inspection. Use a fan or cone spray pattern to ensure the leaves are fully coated, and spray the weed to the point of wet but not runoff. Be sure to spray on calm days when temperatures are not too hot and when wind speeds are low to minimize drift. When applied properly, affected weeds will yellow and begin to die. Conduct follow-up applications as necessary. Reapplication intervals with Fahrenheit range from 4 to 6 weeks. Reapplication intervals with 2,4-D Amine range from 21 to 30 days. Applications are most effective when the plant is young and actively growing before the plant is ready to reproduce. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after applying pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to ensure it can't happen. To prevent new weeds from germinating, apply a pre-emergent herbicide like Barricade. Barricade granular pre-emergent herbicide will form a chemical barrier in your soil that will prevent weed seeds from sprouting and emerging. Depending on your turfgrass species, you'll apply 1.5 to 4 pounds of product per 1,000 square feet. After application, water in the product with at least ½ inch of water. Make an application in the fall to stop seeds from germinating in spring. An additional application may be made after 6 months for year-round weed prevention. We also recommend you promote the health of your turf to reduce the conducive conditions that allow weeds and disease to take hold. Consider applying a fertilizer like Solutions 15-510 Weed and Feed with Trimec. This product is a slow-release fertilizer that will provide lawns with essential nutrients and fight against weed development. With a push spreader, apply 3.2 to 4 pounds of product per 1,000 square feet. When applied properly, your grass will receive a boost in health, while the built-in herbicide will control established weeds. After pre-emergence and fertilizers have been laid, keep your grass strong with regular integrated vegetation management. Mow your grass at proper intervals to maintain a thick growing density. Reduce the shade cast on your lawn by trimming overgrown shrubbery and tree branches. Rake away leaf litter and pick up any debris. And employ a proper watering schedule to provide the local grass with enough water to strengthen its roots, but not so much that will encourage weeds. Many grasses require 1 inch of water every week. Apply the water all at once in the morning so it has time to seep into the ground without evaporating in the sun. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can get rid of pigweeds on your property, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.